Welcome to another video regarding the Hepvo sanitary waste valve. I'm Gary Bunzer, the RV doctor. In this video, I'd like to show how simple it is to install this space-saving, odor-eliminating upgrade in any RV. Let's take a look at the Hepvo kit. Here's the size indication. Make sure it's the same size as the P-trap you're going to replace. 1¼ inch is used primarily on lavatory sinks and 1½ inch for everything else. Inside the package, you'll find the valve itself, 2 adapters, and the instructions for the different ways the Hepvo can be installed. In some cases, an additional male or female ABS adapter might also be needed. Notice the directional arrow here on the valve and these molded ribs. The way it's designed, it must be installed with the arrow pointed in the direction of the water flow as it exits the sink. And when installed horizontally, like this, these ribs must be positioned on the bottom. Unlike the standard P-trap that must hang directly below the sink, the Hepvo valve can be installed either horizontally or vertically and as far as 5 or 6 feet away from the sink. That makes it possible to route the drain piping over to the corner of the cabinet like this, out of the way of your stored gear. In this factory installation, it's located inside an insulated storage compartment accessible from the exterior of the RV. In close quarters, like under this sink, a vertical Hepvo is what makes this connection even possible. Slide-out kitchens are rarely deep enough to house a standard P-trap. Here, the Hepvo sanitary waste valve is the only reason why this feature works. The Hepvo kit also comes with a couple other useful fittings. Use this straight line adapter when mounting the Hepvo valve vertically, and the 90-degree elbow adapter when installing the valve in a horizontal orientation. RV manufacturers are actually saving money, space, and time by installing Hepvo valves during the coach build at the factory. And now any RV can be updated since Hepvo sanitary waste valves are available in the RV aftermarket. No special tools or equipment are necessary to install a Hepvo valve. In some applications, it's just a matter of removing the P-trap and inserting the Hepvo. But if you're removing a slip joint to make a threaded connection, however, please remember to use an appropriate thread sealant on the Hepvo threads in place of the original rubber seal. So there you go, folks. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.